Wait for a brush pin. Stop right there.
I want a little clip of Pixie. Oh no. I want to climb it. Whoa.
It's not a cave. Come up here sometime. Careful. Jackson, don't run, you'll fall over the hill. No, put the stick down. Drop the stick. That's it. Come on.
Stop right there.
I want to find a snake or lizard or a spider or a frog or a toad.
I don't know where that goes. I've never heard that.
Oh, is there a stream? Supposed to be a stream here? That's boring. There's no water.
Hey? Yep, I'm gonna help you. We're gonna climb up. Ready? Here.
Big log.
Good job.
Wait. Pixie, sit on the log.
Head back to here. Well, let's look for birdies and squirrels and No.
We don't need the rock.
We go left. There's a warning sign there. Yeah. What do you see?